So hello everyone, welcome back to Algo Daily. In this particular video, we are discussing LeetCode daily problem. Find the prefix common array of two arrays. So in this problem, we have to given a zero index integer permutations of a and b and their length of n, and we have to given a prefix common array of a and b and is an array of c such that c of I is equal to the count of number that are present at or before the index of I in both a and b. Okay, and after this we have to return a prefix common array of a and b. So now let's discuss their problem statement, and after this we have to dry run their example test cases. So first we have to given here zero index permutations, okay, index integer permutations, and the prefix common array of a and b, and after of a or b we have to build a new array of c. Okay, and we have to take care of this one, count of number that are present before in index I of a and b. Okay, so you can take care of this one, this line, like we have to present before in index. Like if we have to calculate, let's suppose this one, if let's suppose we have to calculate this one, and after this value we have to calculate with both two. Okay, so these the line means this one. Okay, and so now in this problem we have to given how to construct a new array of c. Like in c of I is the count of numbers that are common between their first I plus 1 elements in a and b. Okay, so now let's discuss their example test case for better understanding. So here we have to given two array a and b. So the a value is equal to 1 3 2 and 4, and b value is equal to 3 1 2 and 4. Okay, so now we have to calculate and we have to compute with their index value. So here we have their index values, here 0 1 2 and 3. Okay, these are our indexes. So now first we have to calculate index of 0. Okay, index of 0, the first element of a of 0 and b of 0. Okay, we have here 1 and here is 3. Okay, so now common values, here no common values. Okay, no common values, so the count is equal to 0. Initially our count is equal to 0, so the count remains same, is equal to 0. So our c of 0 is equal to 0. Okay, this is our c. And now next iteration, so our next iteration I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, a of 1 and b of 1. So now we have to calculate a of 1, a of 1, these two values and these two values. Okay, a of 0 comma a of 1, same as b of 0 comma b of 1. So this one is 1 comma 3 and this one is 3 comma 1. So now here how many common elements are present both arrays. Okay, so here 1 is present, here 1 is present, and here 3 is present, here 3 is present. So the count of the common element are 2. So the our new array value is 1 comma 3, these are common. So the count of so count is how many elements are present in this one. So the count is equal to 2, like count 1 plus 1 2. Okay, so the new c1 is equal to 2. Okay, so now calculate with a2. Okay, a2 is 132 312 of b2. Okay, b2, a2 is equal to 132 and same thing for 3 1 and 2. So now here the common elements, how many common elements are present? 1 is present here, 1 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here, 2 is here and 2 is here. So now the common elements are present is 3. like 1 2 3 are present both elements, both arrays, so the count is equal to 3. So the C of 2 is equal to 3. Okay, and so now our last iteration is a of 3, and this is b of 3. Okay, so a of 3, what we have here, 1 3 2 4, 1 3 and 2 and 4, and here but 3 1 2 4. Okay, 3 1 2 and 4, and after this here 1 is common, 1 is common, 3 is common, 3 is common, 2 common, 2 common, 4 common, and 4 is here also present. So here both, here all elements are common, so our new array, so the count of this one is equal to C of 3 is equal to 4. So now after this, these iteration, so now so so after this we have their new arrays 0 2 3 and 4. These are our count values. So here 2 0 2 3 and 4. Okay, so same thing for our example number 2, for like 3 2 3 1, and here 3 3 1 2, and like this one we have here C, here a of 0 is equal to 2, and here b of 0 is equal to 3. Okay, so the common values are not present here, and same thing for a of 1 is equal to 2 comma 3, and b of 1 is equal to 3 comma 1. Here common values are 3 and here 3. These are not common values, so we cannot include this one. So the count is equal to our 1. So now next iteration, b of 2 and a of 2. Okay, so a of 2 is 1 and b of 2 is equal to 2. So here we have to include both all values, and here all values. So 2 3 1 2 3 1, and here is 3 1 2 3 1 2, and the common values are both, all are common values, so count is equal to 3. So now after these operations we have here C is equal to 0 1 and 3. Okay, 0 1 and 3, and so now let's discuss their uh, constraint. So here that we have to given less than n less than is equal to 50. So this is, so these are the small constraint we have to given, so we have to calculate with O of n square we can use for this uh, problem. And so now uh, let's discuss their visualization. Okay, so now what, for example number 1. Okay, so example 1, the visualization. Okay, C of I. So here we have to calculate with their index, and this a of 0 to I range, and same thing for 0 to I range, and here common. Okay, here common values. So here 0 1 2 and 3, and a of 0, a values are 1 3 2 4, 3 1 2 4, 1 3 2 4, 1 3 2 4, and 3 1 2 4, 3 1 2 4, and here a of 0 is 1, and b of 0 is 3, and for this one 1 3, and here 3 1, and here 1 3 and 2, and here is 312, and last we have here 1324 3124. Okay, so common values are here, nothing is common, so empty, we have to count is same 0, and here common values are 2, like 1 and 3 is common, so the count is 2, and here we have their count is both are commons, so 1 2 3, so the count is equal to 3, and after this 1324 and 3124 all are common, so 1 2 3 and 4, so the common are 4, so that this is our new array. New array is 0 2 3 4. Okay, so now let's discuss their code implementation. So first we have here size we have to declare, and their count to increment, and their how increment the number of common values are present, and this answer to store this answer is to store prefix common array in C, array of C, and this frequency is to track how many times each number are encountered in A and B, and after this we have to iterate the loop, and here we have to count their frequency of A, and here count the frequency of B. Okay, and after this we have to check A of I and B of I, and frequency of the same values, like if A frequency of A of I is equal to 2, like like both side the values are present, like here values are same, here values are same, the count is equal to 2, so that's why we have to check with this one, so the frequency of A is equal to 2. Okay, so then we have to count plus plus, and same thing for this one, if the count frequency of A of I is equal to 2, and frequency of B of I is equal to 2, so then we have to increment the count, and after this we have to push this count into our answer variable and store this answer vector, sorry. And so now the time complexity of this code is, so this outer loop is running O of n time, and the frequency map we have to calculate with the size, this size of O of n, so the total time complexity of so that sorry so the map operation we have to calculate with O of 1 time. Okay, so the total time complexity is O of n, and the space complexity of this code is, we have to create a frequency map and the answer vector, so the total time complexity space complexity of this code is O of n, so both are O of n, the time and space complexity of this code is O of n. So I hope you understand the logic behind this code and their implementation part. So thank you everyone.